Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you all how to connect an external microphone to your computer, phone or tablet. So if your device isn't recognizing your microphone, stay tuned. With the 3.5mm jack on the microphone, you will notice these two rings. In order for the microphone to be detected, it actually needs to have these three rings like on this adapter I have over here. What you'll need is a tip ring sleeve to tip ring sleeve adapter, or a TRRS to TRRS adapter. If you just try to connect the microphone straight to your device, it won't be recognized and nothing will happen. Your device will just continue using the internal microphone. So I'm just going to connect this microphone jack to the adapter and plug it into this iMac and see what happens. If it works, your device should show up as an external microphone. I like to use the click test and that looks pretty good. So what you need is a TRRS to a TRRS adapter. Thanks for watching everyone. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.